Schenn was looking to steal it. Toropchenko now. Driving wide, Schenn behind the net. Back to Toropchenko. He finds an open Leddy. Leddy shoots into traffic. It bounces. Tarasenko goes upstairs, scoring for the Blues, and they are within 2.
Talked about him having to get hot. His first goal of the series. There it is there. The stick is lost by Nichushkin. Toropchenko just keeps on moving. Pushes him down, works to the front of the net. The shot is deflected right out to Tarasenko, and he rips it home. Glove hand side. That's that lightning fast release. We talked about it early in the game when he held on to it a little too long.